Бек Исраилов и Азат Раимбердиев.
И споют они вместе с участником этого сезона Минжашаром Мурзаевым.
Together, and you know that alright. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play my mind? Said we forever, I said you'd never die. How could you love me and leave me and never say goodbye? When I can't sleep at night without holding you tight, girl, each time I try, I just break down and cry. Beating my head all up and beat them, spinning around and around. Although we've gone to the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Girl, I know you really love me. You just don't realize you've never been there before. There it's only your first time. Or maybe I'll forgive you, and then maybe you try. We should be happy together forever, you and I. Will you love me again like you love me before? This time I want you, you love me much more. This time it's said, just come to my bed. Baby, just don't let me down. Although we've come to the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Come to the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Sing it, end of the road. Oh, yeah. It's a natural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Although we've gone to the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. А ну-ка все вместе! Although we've come to the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Спасибо!
Ну, профи,
Спасибо.
профи! Браво! Азат Раимбердиев, Бек Исраилов, Минжашар Мурзаев.